Hello, today you will learn about
Bonjour à toutes et à tous.
In this video, I am going to tell you how to use
Ne pas,
in past tense or.
passé composé.
Please check the video of simple negations in present tense on our channel. There I told you how to create sentences in present tense with
Ne pas,
Today in this video I am going to tell you how to use it in different ways. Let's have a look at this sentence. I drank coffee or I have drunk coffee. So in French I would say,
j'ai bu du café.
if I want to say, I didn't drink any coffee. Or I have not drunk coffee. So in French I would say,
Je n'ai pas bu de café.
so,
Ne,
will come after je and pas will come after auxiliary verb whether it is.
avoir ou être.
So we will put in j and we will drop of ne. Let's see another sentence. I have watched the film or I watched the film. So in French I would say like this.
J'ai regardé le film.
If I want to say I didn't watch the film or I have not watched the film. So in French we would say,
Je n'ai pas regardé le film.
next example. We have walked in the garden or we walked in the garden. In French,
Nous avons marché dans le jardin.
if I want to say, we have not walked in the garden or we did not walk in the garden. In French it is,
Nous n'avons pas marché dans le jardin.
as we know passé composé is formed by two auxiliary verb. So these all example was with the auxiliary verb.
Avoir,
Now let's see the sentence with the auxiliary verb.
être.
In passé composé. For example, I went to the beach. In French I would say,
Je suis allé à la plage.
if I want to say, I did not go to the beach or I have not gone to the beach. In French I would say,
Je ne suis pas allé à la plage.
Ne will come before auxiliary and pas will come after as we have done in the above sentences with the auxiliary verb avoir. Let's see another sentence. I went out with my friends. In French I would say,
Je suis sorti avec mes amis.
if I want to say, I didn't go out with my friends or I have not gone out with my friends. In French I would say,
Je ne suis pas sorti avec mes amis.
In French we don't translate or say I did not go, I did not eat, I did not watch etc. Rather we say I have not eaten, I have not done and so on. We can also say,
J'ai pas joué ce soir.
because in spoken French some people don't pronounce.
Ne,
In some place we can also put ni pas together if we give orders or to prohibit someone from doing something. For example, no parking. In French we would say,
ne pas stationner.
Do not touch. In French we would say,
Ne pas toucher.
do not enter. In French we would say,
Ne pas entrer.
do not disturb. In French we would say,
Ne pas déranger.
that was all about simple negations in French. Hope you have understood how to make negative sentences in passé composé. You just have to keep in mind that in past tense "-e" will come before auxiliary and "pas" after the auxiliary verb. Please, before watching this video, watch the video of simple negations in present tense in French on our channel.
Likez la vidéo, abonnez-vous à notre chaîne et partagez la vidéo. À bientôt et au revoir.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for next video.